Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a AutoCAD software. Is all parts is one by one is design learner. And guys, this lecture is 35, and this command is a thicken, and how to this command is work here, and this command is this is a benefit, and how to this part is one by one is design. Okay, AutoCAD all 3D commands is learn here easily. Okay, this is a workspace is a drawing here, this AutoCAD body and AutoCAD geometry, and then this use a thicken command, and thicken command is used easily convert a surface into a 3D solid with a specified thickness. Okay, at first geometry is a drawing here. This geometry is this drawing this rectangle is drawing here easily and clearly, and then use this surface command is used here, and going to this use a planar surface, and one edge point is select here, and this is another edge. Okay, this is a perfect, and click here this orbit, and this body is a thickness is a lower. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a thickness is a this is a less, and some this thickness is a this is a perfect thickness is a this. Okay, and use this and use this use a thicken command, and select this and right click, and going to this thickness is a this is use a 20 milli, this is 20, and enter, and this body is a thickness is perfect. Okay, and again select this is undo. Okay, this is a thickness, and again select this thicken, and select this face, right click, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter is this. Okay, this is a perfect correct body is a drawing here, and right click, and this color is a double click here, and going to this and okay, this color is a perfect. Okay, and right click, this color is change here this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this thickness is a perfect drawing here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a thickened command is a learner, and next command is a learner easily and clearly, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.